Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Now in this episode, we will start from the same section that we mentioned in the last episode. Trap number 1. Unexpected turn. You might hear speaker starting to say one thing and then, suddenly, continuing to something completely different. This is a trap, so make sure you do not fall for it. The rule here is last word counts. For example, if the speaker says, I want to visit that gallery on Monday. No, wait, I have just remembered that it is closed on Monday, so I will go on Wednesday. And the question is when. The correct answer here is Wednesday, and Monday is a trap. Trap number 2. Generalizations. You might hear speaker first gives a list of things and then says them all in one word. For example, well, I like to swim, hike, and camp. To be involved in outdoor activities. If the question is, what kind of activities? The correct answer is outdoor, and not swimming, hiking, or camping. Trap number 3. Explicit answer choices. Explicit answers choices can be, and mostly will be, traps. Let us understand this with the help of an example. The tape says, this course is a must for all first-year students, excluding foreign students. The question is all the first-year students have to take this course. The answer should be false, because there is an exception. Foreign students. All the explicit answers that mean no exceptions are suspicious to us and call for more attention. Check the grammar. If the answer you give is grammatically incorrect, it cannot be the right one. Checking the grammar of your answers will give you an idea whether your answer correct or not, especially in tasks like gap fill and sentence completion. Use your time wisely. During the test, you have a little time between passages. Use it to check and complete your answers. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.